The universe is constructed in a particular kind of way. And the way that it's constructed is that we are energy. And that energy is activated by the words I am. That is the initiation process for you to experience a reality. Somewhere inside of you, the I am is a picture that you have created of yourself. And everything that happens in this lifetime is first experienced as an I am. With the words I am this, I am that, I am that. I am depressed, I am happy, I am wealthy, I am poor, I am broke, I am experiencing this, I am that, or whatever the case may be. And with the I am, that is a signal to the universe to create a particular kind of reality, because that's an announcement. If you know the biblical story of Moses, you know that when Moses asked God what his name was, or who should I say sent me, God said, I am that I am, right? I am that I am. And what does that mean? It means I am all things, okay? The I am is the physical vibration of God in the third dimension. So every time you use the word I am, you are initializing a process